Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's write a simple Python calculator program that performs basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So for that, in the Python file, first let's define a function for addition operation. Function name is add and we need two parameters, number 1 and number 2. We want to perform addition operation on two numbers. That's why here we'll take two parameters. Inside this function will return sum of num1 and num2. Next, let's define a function for subtraction operation. Here function name is sub and we need two parameters, num1 and num2. And this function returns num1 minus num2. Next, let's write the function for multiplication operation. Function name is mul and we need two parameters, num1 and num2. And this function returns the result of num1 multiply num2. Next, let's define a function for division operation. Parameters are num1 and num2. And first here we need to check whether num2 is 0. If it is 0, then we'll raise division by 0 error. So if num2 is equal to 0, we'll return this message. Otherwise, we'll return the result num1 divide num2. Okay, so now we are done with the function definition. Next, let's call these functions. And here first, let's display the available operations using print function. Like this, we'll display the available operations. Next, we'll ask the user to select the operations. We'll take the input from the user. Next, we need two numbers, right? So let's take the input for that. We'll take float input here. Like this, we'll take two numbers, float numbers. Next, if user choice is 1, that means selected operation is addition, we need to call add function. And this function will return result, right? So we need to print that. For that, we'll use print function like this. Next, elif, if choice is 2, then selected operation is subtraction. So we need to call sub function and we'll print return result like this. Elif, if choice is 3, then selected operation is multiplication operation. So call mul function. Else, if choice is 4, the selected operation is division. So call division function like this. If the number entered by the user is other than 1, 2, 3, 4, then we need to print a message that is wrong choice or invalid choice. Okay, we'll print like this. So now we are done. Here you can see. Let's save this program, Ctrl S, and run this program. And here you can see simple calculator. Available operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And enter your choice. I'll enter 1. Then enter the first number. I want to enter 23 and 34 and the result is 57. If I enter an invalid choice like 7, it will ask the number and invalid choice. Can modify that. Let's perform multiplication. So I'll enter 3, enter number 45, 34 and the result is here. And for division, choice is 4. Number is, if I enter 23 and 0, error, division by 0. So we are getting division by 0 error. 4, 34, 2 and here you can see the output. Okay, so this is a simple calculator program. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.